Hi friend, today I'm going to teach you how to how to repair a corrupt USB or memory card. So go to the start, select command, open it and write disk part, enter it and run it, write list disk, enter it, select the corrupt disk. I don't have a corrupt disk, but actually I'm going to select 3, clean it. It is not correct, so I just want to tell you how to repair it. Then create a partition, enter it and then format fs is equal to 32 fat and then enter it. So when you enter, it starts from 1 up to 100 and your this is completely format. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again.